So this is a video on how to change the batteries in a linear remote. This one, as you see, is completely dead. The small light does not come on when you press either of the two buttons. What we're going to do is we're going to take out this screw, which is a number 1 Phillips. I have a number 1 Phillips on the end of my drill. You can use a hand screwdriver also. Pop that screw out. Make sure you remove the screw completely, because if it's inside of the threads at all, it will prevent this from opening. Use the screw and just lift up this little flange. There's a hole there for you. And then when you open this, looking at it from the back angle, so here's your clip. When you open this, your batteries will be in here. Now I'm flipping it over. This is the front side. You'll see a flange here. So you're going to put your batteries in with the top of the battery, the positive side, towards you. There's 2 batteries. There are 2032. And you're going to push that shut. Put your screw back in. Sorry for the shaky screen. It's a little windy. Screw that down just hand tight. And now, batteries are changed. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.